Today it is the 15th of March and we got another major snowstorm here in New Brunswick. I've travelled all the way up from Dystart's truck stop in Hartman in Maine this morning. I left at 5:30. It's only a 5-hour drive and the time now is 15:06. Due to the weather conditions, I've been on a literally go slow. I've only got another 8 miles to go before I'm in Caledonia Industrial Estate in Moncton, where I'll be parking up for delivery tomorrow morning. The weather's been like this for about 80% of my journey. Didn't start snowing, well, it was snowing last night, but the highway was not too bad. And then once I come into Canada, it's been like this ever since. And once I crossed the border, it was only a 3.5-hour drive from there, but 10 hours later I'm still going. It is a whiteout, but we've got sporadic spots where you can see the tarmac, like here. But as you can see in the distance there, you can't see nothing. And I pulled into Salisbury to fill my truck up and fill the reefer. And on the opposite side now is the first truck I've seen for at least a good 2 hours. It's a bit silly driving in this, but obviously I wanted to get to Moncton so I can park up there because my delivery is only a mile away. And I'd rather drive this in the daytime than night time. But I'm taking it nice and steady. I'm doing a steady pace of 25 to 35 mile an hour, so it's not too bad. Hence, that's why it's taken me so long to flip and get up here, and I'll be glad to get parked up. As you can see, it's hard to judge whereabouts I am on the highway. I can't even see the verge to my right, but I can see the crash barrier to my left. And at times I am venturing over to the left-hand lane. I notice that when I come onto spots like this. And it's windy as well, so the wind is blowing the snow across the road there, and sometimes you can't see nothing because of the little blizzards blowing across the road. But I enjoy it. I like it. Don't like driving in this crap though. It's the first time. Here we go, I'm venturing over again onto the left hand side. I've got a few cars sat behind me. Obviously they won't pass because I haven't got a clue where the road is. As you can see now, you can't see nothing, just the odd black spot. Here we go, I'm coming off now. Only half a mile away now from parking up.
In 0.2 miles, turn left on Ellisville Boulevard. Turn left on Ellisville Boulevard.
There we go, this junction. Hope it's clear left and right. I can't see. Taking a chance. Oh, look at that truck coming down there. Midlands Transport.
In 1/4 mile,
There
turn
we
right
go.
on Blue Commerce, and then approaching destination on the right side in 50 feet.
Just going over the highway now. There's a highway. Truck parks there to my right hand side. Shell garage. You can see the post coming up on the right. Lights are on green for me. Let's hope they don't flipping change.
Turn right on Blue Commerce, and then approaching destination on the right side in 50 feet.
There's a fair few trucks in there. Turn it right here.
At your destination on the right side, 294. Blue Commerce.
And this is where I'm coming to.
In 500 feet, turn left on Roderick Avenue.
No, I'm not going that way.
Turn left on Roderick Avenue.
Coming in here. I hope there's somewhere I can park up here. So they go down by this flipping barrier here. I'll give it a toss. At least then I can get to use internet. There we go, that's me parked up. Nice, long, steady drive.